In this video, I'll show you how you can fix GeForce can't optimize games on this PC. First, what we want to do is open up GeForce Experience, head over to the settings here and make sure we have ticked this one. Now once you've made sure that this is checked, what you want to do is come down here and search for run. In here type percentage local app data percentage, press OK, find the NVIDIA Corporation folder. In here you want to go into NVIDIA GeForce Experience, find your chef cache and delete this folder. Now you cannot delete it while you have GeForce open, so simply come down here, right click on it and exit to make sure we close it down. Now once you've deleted this folder, what we can do is we can head to our firewall, Windows Defender Firewall, and in here we want to allow an app, change settings, and we want to allow NVIDIA. Now as you can see, I already have mine in here. If you don't have it in here, what you can do is press allow another app, browse, and you can simply come to the exact same folder where you want to allow NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Now it should be in program files, NVIDIA Corporation, and in here. Now after you've added it, what you want to do is make sure you check both of these boxes and then you can close this down. Now you can come down here, search for device manager, look for your display adapters, and make sure you update your GPU. Now after you updated it, if it still doesn't work, the last thing you can do is simply do a clean uninstall of GeForce. So search for NVIDIA, find NVIDIA GeForce Experience, uninstall, and then go and reinstall it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.